Legal aptitude. Legal aptitude test is a unique way of the testing an aspirant's attitude for the studying law at a top law school. It comprises questions based on the legal knowledge and the legal reasoning. This unit of the book prepare you for the legal knowledge questions. Unit 3 of the book separately deals with the legal reasoning questions. Now let us have a look at a different type of question asked in a legal aptitude. Type 1. These questions are based on the elementary knowledge of the legal terms. For this, one should be aware of these basic legal terminology. Simple of these type of question are provided below. Repeal stand for to force back, to reproduce, to revoke, to change one's mind. Answer is to revoke. Example. Next example. Ultra vires means law which is very powerful, beyond the authority, not legislated, not executed. Answer is beyond the authority. This unit contains 3 chapters including all important legal terms, Latin phrases and maxims. Learning these terms and phrases are going to help you during the study of your LLB course as well. Type 3. Type 2. This type of question require elementary knowledge of law itself. For these we have tried to present elementary law in a very systemized way. Each field of the law has been dealt one by one. After a brief introduction of the law, many questions for the practice of the students are provided. Simple questions asked under this section are provided below. Example 3. Criminal Procedure Code was enacted in the year 1973, 1873, 1974, 1874, and the correct answer is 1973. Example 4. Law does not take note of moral turpitude, trifles, trespass of the land of other, corrupt practice in election, and right answer is trifles. Trifles are not, law does not take note. Sometimes the question in this type require common sense application. We can use elimination method to solve such question as well. For example, if we have to find the correct answer for example 4 given above, we can follow elimination method. If we take moral turpitude, we know from our daily life experience that offense like rape, eve teasing, etc. are punishable. Similarly, law does not take note of when one jump over the wall of other premises without authority. So C is also not the answer. Further, corrupt practice in election like both corrupt capturing is also punishable. So law take note of D2. It is only trifles, a matter of or title importance which is left. So B is the correct answer right now. Another type of question that are require elementary knowledge of the law is that of assertion and reasoning. These questions are a bit tough nut to crack. One should be cautious while attempting this question. In these questions there are two statements, one an assertion and or a statement and other a reasoning. One has to use code is as given below in answering these questions. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. A is true but R is false, and A is false but R is true. Example A. No person accused of an offense may be compelled to be witness against himself. R. An accused is not a truthful person. And answer is C. A is true, R is false. The answer of example 5 is C, as statement A is true, as we know that Article 20 of our Constitution guarantee it as a fundamental right. So R is not a correct reasoning or explanation, or A, neither it is correct proposition. So apart from the application of mind, such question requires sound knowledge with regard both statement and its reasoning. Type 3 questions. Some questions are based upon the awareness about the recent development in legal field. It include recent enactments, new cases, person holding top legal position, information about legal institution of repute, etc. For example, MRPT Act 1969 was replaced by Police Prohibition Act 2001, the Competition Bill 2000, Freedom of Trade Act 2000, Competition Act 2002. And answer is D, the Competition Act 2002. Who is the present? Next example, who is the present Attorney General of India? Soli Sorabji, Fali S. Niriman, Milan Banerjee, K.K. Venugopal. And answer is K.K. Venugopal is correct. Next example, which course is not offered in Delhi University Law Faculty? DCL, PhD, LLD, MCL. And the correct answer is LLD. Which popular case relate to the sexual harassment of the women at workplace? A. Indra Sahni versus Union of India. B. Barkha Dutt, State of Maharashtra. C. Visakha versus State of Rajasthan. D. Gujri Bai versus Bihar, State of Bihar. And answer is C. Visakha versus State of Rajasthan. Next example. Which day is celebrated as the Constitutional Day or Law Day in India? 26th of January, 26th of November, 1 October and 1st of April. And answer is B, 26th of November. Therefore, the students are advised to go through the recent enactment, important cases, and who's who, the legal word. Further, you must take a glimpse of your prospectus is introductory pages.